What is going on, guys? I'm sorry I've been lagging on videos, but right now I'm trying to start back up again. And for today we are going to install my wickerbill on my 2014 Challenger. So you'll need a drill with 5/16 drill bit and a smaller drill bit to bit your pilot hole, Allen key wrench, rivet nut tool, and masking tape, probably a tape measure too. And let's get this install started. Finished drilling the holes. Took me a while to actually drill them into the right size. We'll go to the rivet nut tool, I guess. So we are finally done installing the wickerbill, and it took me like an hour and a half to 2 hours to finish it. I mean, it looks good. I mean, for the first time doing it without any experience, just seeing it on video, I think I did pretty good. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about the wickerbill. And I'll post pictures later on my Instagram, so make sure to follow. Thank you, guys.